Alright guys, there we go. This is the awning here. So in order to use the awning, you just want to go ahead and make sure the door is slightly closed. And you just hit the extend button and just watch it close. If you want to just be safe, you can have somebody else on the outside. And then just keep going until the arm straightens out. See, it goes back up, go back down. And then there is an LED light here. There you go, the awning is out. Just want to make sure that the awning stays in though on a windy day. There we go. We're gonna go ahead and bring this awning back in. Just hit retract. And that's it. Turn off the lights. Lights are dimmable in here. Alright guys, so whenever you guys hook up the water and you need hot water in there, just come out here to this little box here. Flip the switch to on. Up is on. Alright. So I guess let's just do that. And you just make sure it's closed all the way. Head inside. And this will come on. This panel will turn it on. Either have Celsius, Fahrenheit, and you can set the temperature. Outside temperature and setting temperature. And then just turn on the water and I'll just keep going. Also check your tanks. And battery power. I also do provide this tire pressure monitor gauge. Just press and hold the power button. It'll turn on. And it'll take a little bit to get the readings going. Alright, so now we got this going. So it gives you the tire pressure and the outside temperature. Also, if the temperature drops pretty good, it'll start beeping at you.